In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know who made changes on a task in Goodday. This is really helpful when you're collaborating with a team and you want to understand exactly what was updated, when it happened, and who did it. Let's start from your main Goodday view. First, you'll want to select the workspace where the task lives. A workspace is essentially a container or environment for a group of related projects, like a department, client, or team. On your Goodday screen, look for the list or menu of workspaces, usually on the left side or at the top, and click on the one that contains the project you're interested in. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on, because you will only see the projects associated with that specific area. Once your workspace is selected, the next step is to choose the project. Within that workspace, you'll see a list or board of projects. Find the project that includes the task you want to review and click on it to open it. This will bring up all the tasks and items that belong to that project. If you have many projects, you might use search or filters to locate it more quickly, but the key is simply to open the right project so the relevant tasks are visible. Now that you're inside the project, locate the specific task you want to check. This could be a task assigned to you, to a teammate, or any task you have access to. Click directly on the task name or card to open its detailed view. This is where you normally see information like the title, description, status, assignee, due dates, and comments. Make sure the task is fully opened in its own panel or window so you can access more options. With the task open, look for the three dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. This is usually found near the top right corner of the task window. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options for that task. These options can include things like editing, duplicating, or other task-specific settings, and among them is the one we need. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled History or Audit. This will open a detailed log of all the changes made to that task. Here, you'll be able to see exactly who made each change, what was changed, and when it happened. You can scroll through this history to track updates like status changes, reassigned owners, changes to deadlines, and more. This view is your go-to place whenever you need to verify who modified a task